Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time someone messages your LinkedIn page, enabling email notifications is the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on email notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your preferred browser and head to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find your profile and account options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything from your privacy to your notifications. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section lets you customize how and where you receive updates about your LinkedIn activity. Now scroll down or look for the Pages option and click on it. Here, you'll find all the notification settings related to the LinkedIn pages you manage. Under the Choose Where You Get Notified section, you'll see various types of notifications you can enable, including page invitations, updates, and, most importantly, page messaging. Find the option labeled Page Messaging. To enable email notifications, simply turn on the toggle switch next to Email. This means LinkedIn will send you an email every time your page receives a new message, ensuring you never miss out on important communications from your audience. That's it. You've now set up email notifications for page messaging on LinkedIn. You can always return to these settings and adjust your preferences as needed. Staying on top of your LinkedIn page messages has never been easier, and this update makes sure you're always in the loop, even when you're not actively browsing LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.